Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be I tried following so and so YouTubers makeup tutorial. So this video was brought by international YouTubers like James, Nikki tutorial, and it's all over the internet, and many people have done this video in India too, like Shreya Jain. But today I decided to do the same on my channel of my favorite YouTubers. I'm recreating a look from Krithika Khurana's recent YouTube makeup tutorial. Krithika is more of a fashion blogger than the beauty YouTubers. I couldn't see much of makeup related videos on her channel, so recently she did a makeup tutorial like how she gets ready for shoots. So I decided to try following how she gets ready for shoots. So guys, if you like to watch this video, please continue watching. Before that, please take some time and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below near the description box, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is a video I was talking to you about. So guys, please ignore the mess over here. Here she has done a vlog style makeup tutorial. She was vlogging her day of shoot and how she got ready for the shoot. So let's quickly jump into the clip where she starts doing her makeup.
Okay, so first thing first, I always apply a sunscreen because
she's gonna apply sunscreen.
I got to know this really late, but this really helps protect your skin from aging.
Here I have already moisturized my face, so I am going to use Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. This is my all-time favorite, and there she uses Lotus one. I don't have that, so I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunblock in SPF 50+.
Apply a primer first, but I don't have it right now with me, so I am going to go with this foundation which is from L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh.
Okay, so she is using L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I have that product here, so I'm also going to use the same here. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. So this is a matte foundation, guys. I am in the shade 250 Radiance, and actually this foundation is a bit old. I think I have a bit of foundation in the tube, like in the bottle.
These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing.
Fresh foundation in the shade 150. I think this is a bit lighter for my skin, but let's just go with it. Taking this brush to apply foundation. This is BS Small Face Flat Brush, and try to keep a link in the description box below. I got this from Amazon.
So she is using the BS Small face flat brush, which I have. This is a buffing brush. This is the same brush she is using.
The description box below to find the link.
Okay. So here she is pumping the foundation directly onto the brush and then buffing it onto the face. But I have taken it on my palms, so I'm going to try and transfer this product into the brush. So we are done with the base, guys. Let's see what she is going to do next.
And now I'm using this contour palette from Kat Von D. Just going to mix all of them together. Got the concealer. This is real life, guys. For that, I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline. Basically use it as a highlighter. It's the shade 10, which is the lightest shade.
So she is going to use a lighter shade of concealer to highlight her high point. Please stay here, guys. I'm going to go grab my highlighting concealer and be right back.
The one side, edge of my nose, wherever I want to highlight. Now I'm going
So the concealer I'm going to use here is L'Oreal True Match concealer in the shade Neutral. So I'm going to use this wherever she has used.
Guess I'm better off alone. Never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is.
take this sponge and I'm just blending it with this sponge. I'm setting.
Okay. So she has taken a beauty blender and she's blending this concealer with this beauty blender. That it's blended, let's see what she's gonna do next.
This powder so that
Okay, she's setting her face using a powder and a powder brush. She is using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I don't have that product. So I'm just going to take my compact and set. So I'm going to set all of my face like she does on in the video. With setting the base next.
and now for bronzer I'm using all the three shades.
Okay, now she is bronzing her face. Okay, she is using the same powder brush for bronzing her face. I'm gonna take my, the LA Girl bronzer. It's not actually a bronzer, it is a compact powder in darker shade. It's in the shade Warm Honey and it's a perfect bronzing shade for my skin tone. So I'm going to take that. I've already completed the entire pan. I'm just going to try and use the product which is left on the sides of the pan. So
Can't be away, take me away. You're on the hunt, I'll be your prey.
okay, done with the bronzing.
Face actually my favorite. It's so cute. Look at the package.
Okay, it's a kind of pink and gold kind of blush she is using. I don't have the Too Faced blush palette. I'm going to roll with whatever blush I have. So let me try and look. So guys, I'm going to use Miss Claire blush in the number 34, which is a peachy pink kind of blush. It looks so dark in the pan, guys, but it is very mild. And I'm also taking my Sivana Color Shimmer Brick in the shade 06. I'm going to use the first two shades, which is pinky golden shade and white golden kind of shade. Okay, she just smiles and apply it on her cheekbones. So I'm going to do the same here.
In bed, I need someone to give me the
We are done with our blush, guys. Let's see what's up next.
For eyes I'm just using the darkest shade. My eyelids.
Okay, for eye she is using her contour shade. It's a contour shade actually, not a bronzer. So I'm going to use Maybelline Nudes palette on my crease. So done with defining my crease using a brown eyeshadow or a contour shade, you can call it. So the next step, what she does is eyeliner. She's using a liquid eyeliner. Okay, she's not bringing up the liner, so I'm gonna use my trusty Lakme Insta liner. Done with the liner, guys. I'm going to zoom you out and let's see what she's doing.
I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. It's called the Lash Sensational. I'm using
Okay, she's using a mascara from Maybelline and she's using the Lash Sensational one and I'm having it. Let me quickly go and grab it. Guys, this is my all-time favorite mascara. didn't apply the mascara to the lower lashes, so I'm going to skip it up. Okay, after this,
I'm using this Maybelline Color Sensational 775 Copper Brown Lip Liner.
okay, she has used a copper brown kind of lip liner on her lips. It typically means a reddish brown kind of shade she is wearing. So since I don't have that particular lip liner, I'm going to just try and recreate the same by mixing few lipsticks. So let me go and check what I have. Just found an old brown colored lip liner. I stopped using brown lip liner anymore because I feel that it doesn't flatter my skin tone. I just stopped using brown lipsticks itself. So let's roll with this. I'm going to just line this and try to fill in my lips using the same lip liner.
Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up the sun.
Completed filling my lips using the lip liner. Next I'm going to use this Color Essence lipstick in the shade 15 Choco Brown. Pretty much done with the lips, guys. Let's see what she's gonna do next.
As highlighter, using this brush.
Okay, she is applying Becca's highlighter. I just have Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter. I'm going to use this highlighter with the fat kind of fan brush. She is using a fat fan brush. I think she's using this brush over here. So I'm going to do I'm going to highlight my face like how she does. She has highlighted her cheekbones, her nose,
And now
her chin.
'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me.
Pretty much done with the highlighting. Let's see if she has any other steps further.
now I'm almost done. So this is the makeup look that I'm going for.
Okay guys, so she has completed her makeup look, but I feel incomplete just because she didn't do her brows, guys. Maybe she skipped it because she has a bushy brows, fuller brows, where in my case it's not the same. I'm having a comparatively thin brow than her. So I just feel a bit incomplete without filling in my brows. Guys, this is the final look what she has done without doing my brows. I'm just gonna comb out my brows. Since this is I tried to follow so and so YouTuber look, I'm gonna keep it as it is without filling my brows. I'm just gonna comb out my brows to tame in and just take away the product or the foundation in my brows. Okay guys, so this is the final look, guys. This is how she gets ready for photo shoots. If you ask me why I chose Krithika Khurana's makeup, it's because I adore her, guys. I do follow her YouTube videos. I like her styling. I like the way she is. I feel this is quite good, guys. This makeup is quite good and it looks presentable and it looks good to me. And she rocks this look during her photo shoots. Her photos are so flawless. Her smile is so beautiful. I really adore her. I hope you like this look. I hope you have enjoyed me recreating her look. If you want me to recreate or do this kind of videos, of any other beauty guru or any other YouTuber, please let me know in the comment section below. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Do share this video with your loved ones. If you have any video requests, please comment below in the comment section, and also let me know what you think about this look, guys. Do you like this look on me? Do you think I have done justice to the look? You can also find the products I've used in this tutorial link down below in the description box. I forget to describe something, I'll be typing it down in the description box, and also I would be always linking the products I've used on a particular makeup tutorial down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out every time you watch my videos. And also guys, you can follow me on all my social media. The links will be down in the description box as well. And so guys, see you on my next video, guys. Bye.
Yeah, we said we let it go.